The article introduces the concept of photodiodes, specifically focusing on their functionality and applications. The author shares a personal anecdote about creating a light-sensitive alarm system using a photodiode, which sparked a deeper interest in photodetectors. Photodiodes are semiconductor devices that convert light into electrical current through the photoelectric effect, where photons generate electron-hole pairs, resulting in current flow. They play a crucial role in various applications, including light detection, optical communication, and safety systems. The tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of photodiodes, covering their operational principles and key performance parameters. It is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced engineers, offering practical insights and hands-on project implementation. The article emphasizes that the current generated by a photodiode is directly proportional to the intensity of the light it receives, highlighting the device's sensitivity to light variations. By exploring the theoretical foundations and practical uses of photodiodes, the tutorial seeks to enhance the reader's knowledge and appreciation for these essential components in modern technology.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.